How does the implementation in Payt work? Welcome to the implementation of Payt. Open a new administration to start the implementation and create a connection between Payt and your accounting software. Click the Start Implementation button. Then choose the accounting software you want to connect Payt with and follow the steps. Exactly how the connection works differs per accounting package. Not quite figuring it out? Head to help.paytsoftware.com and search for the name of your accounting software. Make sure your company details are up to date and complete. Go to the General Settings tab in the checklist. Several details have already been filled in. Just complete them where needed and set up the invoice workflow that you want. Go to the Administration Settings tab. If you're running invoice sending through Payt, make sure invoice sending is switched off in your invoicing or accounting software. Decide how often Payt may send reminders. Choose the sending moments, when and under which conditions reminders go out. And decide what to do with special invoices, like zero invoices and credit notes. Make sure your emails can be delivered properly. Go to the Email tab. Set the sender email address and confirm it from your inbox. Note, once you've confirmed the address, you'll need to add a few settings to your domain. Copy those settings from the Email tab and forward them to your IT administrator. Connect the bank account you want to use. Go to the Bank Account Settings tab and select the correct account. Activate online payments so your debtors can pay directly in the portal. Go to the Online Payment Settings tab, choose the partner you want to offer online payments through and follow the steps. Now take your administration live. Click Go Live with your administration. Review the summary of the key settings and at the bottom click Go Live with your administration once more. Congratulations, your administration is now live. A Payt employee will unlock it for you. From now on, invoices and reminders are sent automatically through Payt. Get it? Payt.